But I do not understand why the prosecution would oppose the petition for interim release of an accused based on the statements of family members. So it is clear that he is in court requesting for interim release and signifying that he will comply with all the obligations. I suppose, nandoon naman na lahat yun na nakalagay. Yun yung mga obligasyon na kailangan niyang gawin, nakalagay doon sa kanyang petition. So, ibig sabihin, the accused himself submitted to the power of the courts for interim release and whatever obligations he needs to comply. No? So, kung sinasabi nila na hindi ibibigay ang interim release dahil merong mga statements ng pamilya, it doesn't fall also into the parang reasons kung bakit hindi ibibigay ang interim release. Dapat siguro ang kanilang pinagbabasihan lang ay yung actions and sinasabi ng akusado. Hindi, at kung ano yung sinasabi ng country where he will be released to. Napakamali na gagamit sila ng rason para ikontrahin ang petisyon ng isang akusado base sa statements ng pamilya.